Hi everyone, so for today's video is chapter 4, which about physical facilities and plant layout. This information may be helpful in improving existing building and physical facilities and may also serve as useful reference when establishing a new shop or a business. This topic will be divided into 3 subtopics which we will be talk about via this video. The first one, we have the shop location. Second, the building design, and the third will be the shop plant layout. Let us discuss first the shop location. When we say shop location, basically it is a place where you establish your business. In putting a shop, whether it be an industrial maintenance shop, unit automotive tune-up, or troubleshooting shop, or kahit ano pa bang industrial shop yan, one consideration to look into its location, kung saan mo itatayo yung mismong business mo. Kung meron ka bang competition, kung meron bang sa tingin mo magiging customer ka sa location na nilagyan mo. So, basically, yun yung unang pumapasok sa isip mo, which is the shop location kapag ka magtatayo ka ng business. Yun yung unang-unang kinoconsider mo. When it comes to shop location, the following factors need to be considered. We have nature of business, electrical power, water source, people and community, local ordinance, proximity to other establishment, ecology, marketing prospects. So, isa-isahin natin pag-usapan yung mga yan. Let us first proceed with the nature of business. Probably, this is a major consideration because it is a kind of business that determines the location of the entire plant and the facilities. So, nature of business, kagaya halimbawa, kung isa yung factory ng garment, kagaya ng nasa field ko, garment industry. So, yung nature of business niya is garment also, garment factory. So, pagawaan siya ng damit, ganon. So, it is very important na malaman mo kung saan mo siya ilolocate since yung nature of business mo is garment. Another naman, kung yung business mo is about food. Okay? So, kung magluluto ka, saan mo siya ilolocate? Ilolocate mo ba siya dun sa alam mong wala kang magiging customer? Ilolocate mo ba siya kung saan alam mong halimbawa, restaurant yan, and then maglulocate ka ng business mo kung saan alam mong mga tao kaya naman nilang magluto mag-isa, and then yung mga tao mas prefer nila yung mura pero yung binebenta mo pang restaurant talaga ang mahal, tapos tinayo mo siya sa isang barangay na possibly walang masyadong bumili kasi nga they prefer to cook na lang on their own. So parang ganon, yung nature of business mo, isa yung factor na kinoconsider kapag ka naglo-locate ka na ng shop mo kung saan mo itatayo yung business. Okay? Nature of business ang tawag natin doon. Next is electrical power source. The source of electricity is either for commercial or residential use. Pwede yung sa kahit lang sa simpleng bahay mo lang. Kung magtatayo ka ng bahay, syempre doon na sa merong electrical source. Okay? Same with the business. Electrical power will bring greater advantage to a proposed shop location, lalo na kung alam mong hindi ka problema sa kuryente. So, kung yung industry mo nangangailangan siya ng high voltage, ganyan, of electricity, syempre hindi mo yan ipupwesto sa alam mong walang source, kagaya sa mga bundok yan. Hindi mo siya ilolocate doon. Ilolocate mo siya kung saan alam mong malakas and safe, of course, sa paligid neto. Hindi yung magtatayo ka ng may mga high voltage tapos itatayo mo yung shop mo sa alam mong maraming pwedeng maaapektuhan because of it. Okay? So, isang factor yung kinoconsider yung electrical power source. Maliban sa mismong source ng kuryente, of course, iisipin mo rin yung maaapektuhan niya kung sakaling itatayo mo yung business mo sa lugar na yun. Yung mga environment mo. Okay? Yung mga taong nakapaligid dito. Next is water source. While it may be true that the need for water in different industrial shop varies according to the type of business, it is generally required to have enough supply of water for drinking, washing, and cleaning. Okay? Ginagamit din si water kasi isa yung malaking factor din na kinoconsider kung meron bang source of water pag tinayo mo yung business mo. Kasi kahit anong business pa yan, gagamit at gagamit, kakailanganin mo pa rin si water. Okay? Para mas madali nyo lang maintindihan yung discussion natin ngayon, try to imagine your future shop. Okay? Mag-isip ka ng isang business na sa tingin mo in future itatayo mo siya. Tapos while discussing these factors, try mong i-relate ito sa kung ano yung plano mo in future para mas madali mo siyang maintindihan. Kagaya na nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kung ako magtatayo ako ng business, isa siyang garment industry. Ano yung business nature o nature of business ng garment industry? Therefore, it is a garment kasi nga it's all about clothing. Okay, so ganun din yung gawin ninyo. Para mas maintindihan nyo yung discussion natin ngayon, try to imagine your future shop. Okay, yung mga plano ninyong shop para mas makarelate kayo. Fourth, we have people in the community. This must be especially considered if the industrial shop is to be put up in rural areas or nearby towns and provinces. People here can have strong rejection to the noise of pollution, lalo na kung to the noise or the pollution, lalo na kung malaking industry yung itatayo mo, tapos maglalabas yan ng maruming usok, ganyan. O kaya naman yung ingay niya na pwedeng makaapekto. Siyempre, hindi mo na siya itatayo sa alam mong tahimik na lugar kagaya ng mga provinces. Okay? Kaya nga kung minsan yung ibang industry magkakatabi na sila halos para yung pollution isang way na lang plus yung ingay nila parang magkakasama na lang, hindi na nila kailangan pang makagawa ng masamang epekto sa mga tao. Okay? So isa pa sa mga kino-consider natin sa pag-locate ng shop mo is yung people in the community. Iniisip din sila kasi importante ka baka magalit sila, nagtayo ka ng malaking industry doon, which is hindi naman dapat, masisira yung mga health nila, magkakasakit sila. It's because of the pollution na ilalabas ng business mo. So parang ganon, iniisip mo rin dapat yung people in the community. Fifth, we have the local ordinance. The municipal, city, and the provincial ordinance have to be considered too in establishing an industrial shop in a community. All the legal requirements for the operation of the business must be fulfilled and all taxes required paid. Hindi yun magtatayo ka lang ng business mo nang walang permit na kahit ano. Okay, so isa pang kino-consider sa pag-locate mo is the local ordinance. Dapat dun sa lugar na yon, alamin mo muna kung ano yung mga permit na kailangan mong kunin bago mo itayo yung business mo. Hindi yung nakatayo na lang, saka ka pa lang hihingi ng permission sa mga local ordinance. Okay? Sixth, we have proximity to other establishment. The nearness to the other business establishment like commercial stores, spare parts supply, machine shop, welding shop, calibrating shop, or ano pa bang ibang shop yan, will greatly help you in the profitable operation of your industrial shop. Di ba nga pinag-usapan natin, industrial shop, sila yung nagmama-manufacture ng raw material into a finished product. So, kung ikaw, yung business mo malaki yan, ikaw yung nagma-manufacture ng mga yon, it would be better kung malapit ka sa mga, halimbawa, ako, kung garment industry yung tatayo ko, it would be better kung yung mga katabi ko or malalapit sa akin yung mga fashion house, yung mga boutique clothing, mga ganon, clothing boutique, o yung mga iba-ibang mga nagbebenta ng mga damit para ako mismo magsusupply sa kanya. So, isa pang advantage yon na iisipin mo din kapag ka nag-locate ka dito, meron ka bang masusupplyan na tao? Ganon. Kasi big help din yan. Syempre, mas makikilala, direct silang kukuha sa'yo. Mas gusto rin nila yon. It's both advantage to your side. Advantage sa'yo kasi may kumikita ka dahil sa kanila, and then advantage din sa kanila dahil malapit sila sa direct supplier. Kasi kumbaga ikaw yung supplier dahil nga industrial shop yung itatayo mo. Next, we have ecology. It is another factor in the environment consideration planning, waste disposal that might affect ecological balance in the community. So, kung kanina nabanggit ko under people in the community na kailangan din natin silang i-take consideration kasi nga maaapektuhan sila. Dito naman sa ecology, kailangan alamin mo rin kung yung mga waste ba ng industrial shop mo pwedeng lumabas ng maayos sa kapaligiran mo or mayroon siyang masamang epekto. Isa yon sa kinoconsider when it comes sa paglolocate ng shop. Last, we have the marketing prospect. This refers to the business prospect in the place where the shop is to be put up. Halimbawa, ilan yung mga taong makakadaan dito para makita yung business mo, ilang mga sasakyan yung dadaan dito para malaman nila na nag-i-exist yung business mo sa isang lugar na to. So, halimbawa naman, hindi yan industrial shop, isa lang siyang simple business. Let's say, kainan yan. So, ilolocate mo siya dun sa alam mong maraming tao ang dumadaan o kaya maraming sasakyan ang dumadaan na pwedeng tigilan pag halimbawa nagugutom na sila. So, isa yon sa mga marketing prospect na kinoconsider sa paglocate mo, no? Hindi yung maglolocate ka ng business mo na alam mong walang katao-taong lugar. So, possibly, yung business mo lang yung tanging nandoon and yung marketing mo bababa na dun pa lang sa location. Kaya isang importanteng factor na kinoconsider pagdating sa paglocate ng shop is marketing prospect. Yun nga yung dapat alam mo na sisikat o mag-grow yung business mo kapag kanilocate mo siya on a particular place. And that would be all about shop location. Those are the factors to be considered in locating your business. Next, subtopic, let us proceed with building design. In designing a building, it would be in a relation to the nature of business. Best example, yung Lego company sa ibang lugar, yung gumagawa ng mga Lego. So, yung isang building nila doon, nakadesign siya na parang malaking Lego. Kasi nga, malalaman mo na toy company yon o kaya Lego company. Yun yung design kasi ng business mo, yun yung magbibigay ng signature sa'yo Parang ganun. Okay? So, it is very important na yung design ng building mo is related sa nature of business meron ka. In this topic, hindi natin i-discuss fully, okay, or 100% when it comes to building design. Kasi there are a lot of experts when it comes to this. What I am just wanted to show you now is just to give you an idea, okay, just to give you an idea about the different building design, but not to totally discuss it. Based on my reading, a well-planned building does not only prevent any untoward incident and thus keep employees safe and sound, but also gives such distinct advantages like reduction of cost of the plant, increased work production output, better employees' morale, increased flexibility and use of plant, best safety of employees, materials, and machines, and it also maximizes utilization of space. The first one is the single-story building. This building is the most popular because it is cheaper and easier to construct. Single-story building from the word single-story meaning wala siyang second floor. Okay, isang floor lang siya and then yun na yung ground floor. Next naman is the high bay building. High bay building is also a single-story structure, only that the design is for maximum overhead space. So, kumbaga kanina sa single-story, isang floor lang, ito isang floor din. Kaya lang, mas mataas yung bubong nito kumpara kay single-story. Kaya sa tinawag na high bay building. Again, these are just idea but not to discuss it fully. Third, we have the multi-story building. This type of building naman is used when horizontal expansion is not feasible, okay, or advisable. Multi-story building, ito yung lupain mo is masikip lang or limited lang yung lupain mo, kaya ang gagawin mo dahil yung pag-angat niya is unlimited naman, mag-extend ka na lang vertically, kasi nga yung horizontal expansion mo is not feasible. Now, let us proceed with the roof structure since napag-uusapan na rin namin yung building design. Pagdating kay roof structure, meron ako maibibigay na 4 na sample sa inyo na nakita ko lang din. Okay? We have the flat, the bowstring, the gable, and the high bay mill. Isa-isahin ulit natin yung mga yon para magkaroon lang tayo ulit ng idea kung ano yung mga ito. The first one is the flat. If durability is important to you, then a flat roof is just the right system for you. Okay. A flat roof is water resistant, so you do not have to worry about the water damage. If you're using a flat concrete roof, base rin sa mga nabasa ko, then you are using a roofing system that holds up against heavy winds. So wala kang problema, nalipa rin yan kung sakali man magkaroon ng heavy winds. Next, we have the gable. Gable roof structure is a A-shaped section of a wall between two intersecting sloping side. Pwede yung each side pwedeng equally divided yan, or literal na H-shape talaga, or pwede rin naman yung isa mas mababa kumpara sa isa. Gable roof yan yung mga bata, pag mga bata tayo, yung commonly na dinodrawing natin kapag nagdodrawing tayo ng roof. Okay, yun yung parang A-shape. Third, we have the bowstring. Ayan yung example ng structure ni bowstring. And lastly, we have the high bay mill. Ayan naman yung mga example ng roof under high bay mill. Let us now proceed with the last topic under physical facilities and shop layout, which is the shop plant layout. When we speak of plant layout, it is a physical arrangement of industrial facilities. The arrangement of plant layout is either in a blueprint or in actual setup. It includes the spaces needed for the material movement, storage of services and activities, supporting the operation, and operating equipment and personnel. Now, what is the importance of plant layout? So basically, the objectives in plant layout work are to assign enough space for different areas, to facilitate the flow of work, to make the arrangement flexible, to create a good working environment, and to maximize the use of available spaces effectively. We have three types of plant layout. The first one is the layout by fixed position. The second one is the layout by process or function. And the last, we have the layout by line production. So let us talk about each. Layout by fixed position. This type of layout is used when the materials forming treating operation require only hand tools or simple machine. Okay? In layout by fixed position, the material or the major components are in fixed place. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya gagalaw. Kung paano mo siya pinwesto, doon na siya permanently. Kaya fixed position. Next, we have the layout by process or function. This type of layout is commonly used when there are wide variation in time for different operation. In here, all operations of the same process or type are grouped together. For example, in garment industry, meron kasi kaming tinatawag na production area and meron kaming tinatawag na wash area. So, kung sa wash area, pinagsasama-sama sa isang building, yung lahat ng work related to the washing area, and then lahat ng production nagsasama-sama sa production building. Ganun yung pag sinabi nating layout by process or function. Lastly, we have the layout by line production. This type of layout is commonly used when there are large quantity of products to make. In this type of layout, places one product operation immediately adjacent to the next operation. Halimbawa, in a garment industry, the first step will be the cutting. So, in cutting area, the next step, since bulk yan, maramihan yan, the next step will be the production. They make sure that the production area is near or adjacent to the cutting area para kumbaga kahit na maramihan yan, mabilisan lang ililipat sa next step of production. So, yun yung tinatawag nating layout by line production. And that would be all for this video. On screen are the references I use in order to come up with this kind of presentation. Thank you for watching.